And it goes a little something like
Hi guys, it's me, Precious Patria. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, we will be doing a what's in my bag video, quarantine edition. So if you want to see what I carry in my bag every time I go out, then please keep on watching. I love watching what's in my bag videos. For some reason, they are so interesting. That is why I'm doing my own version. And me personally, I prefer bringing big bags. I try to keep things very minimal. So this is my bag. This is my Bayong bag. Green Bayong bag from Bayong Manila, locally made. So we all know na if it's gawang Pinoy, the quality is really good. I super love this bag. Very spacious, very durable. Like, this is my all-around bag. You can actually use this as a shopping bag, work bag, beach bag. Like, super all-around, very flexible. This is the Bayong bag, which was mostly used in early days when plastic bags were not commonly used yet. This Bayong reminds me so much of my lola. I remember my lola before, sobrang dami niyang Bayong. Pero yun, ginagamit niya pag namamalengke siya. In different colors pa yun. May red, may blue, may green, may yellow. But never ko in-imagine the time na magkakaroon din ako ng sarili kong bayong na hindi lang siya like pang pamalengke.
I was up and about, ready to go out. But then I thought, man, what's the point? There are roads filled blind, tears are running fast. Still apathy is all I've got. And I know it's hard to keep up sometimes. And I know I just want to make things right. But as the sun goes down and shadows fill the town, give me a reason, I'm falling down.
This bag is very simple, very classy. Green bag lang siya with a Twilly here. Itong Twilly, nabili ko siya from a Facebook seller lang here in Polomolok. Lalagay ko din yung link ng account niya, Facebook page niya sa description box. Just in case you're interested to purchase also. Wala siyang zipper, but very spacious siya inside. And safe naman yung item. Kasi if ever nalalapag mo siya, ganun lang, very sturdy. Then, sa loob, yung lock niya is ganito lang, parang hook lang siya. Wala siyang zipper, so ganito lang yung lock niya. And then, pagka-open mo, yung laman ng bag ko, okay. First, ito, sunglasses ko. This is my go-to sunglasses, yung black ko na sunglasses. Yung nalagyan is Mango, but the brand of my sunglasses, ito, is from Cotton On. Naka-mango bag, pero Cotton On yung brand ng sunglasses. And then, next one, I have here my notebook. Hindi ko na siya papakita kasi super pangit na nung notebook. Nabili ko to siya nung nabili ko to siya siguro parang first quarter of the year. So, ito talaga yung notebook na ginagamit ko. Masulat kasi akong tao. So, lahat ng naiisip ko, sinusulat ko siya agad bago ko siyang makalimutan. Then, every day, I will check my notebook kung may mga dapat ba akong gawin. And then, next one is this coin purse na brown and white color. I super love this one also. This one is also from Bayong Manila. And then, like, ito lang yung nalagyan ko ng coins and some money, paper money. Then, I have here my wallet, my black wallet na sobrang tagal na sa akin. Hindi kasi ako like yung papalit-palit ng wallet. As long as okay pa siya, nagagamit ko pa siya, hindi ko talaga siya papalitan. Ito, siguro may 3 years na sa akin. 3 years lagpas na. Kasi alam ko, nabili ko to nung nasa Manila pa ako. So, parang tagal na nun. So, sobrang tagal na din ng wallet na to sa akin na hindi ko pa rin siya pinapalitan. And then, the last one here in my bag, ito lang. As in, like, yun, nalagay ko lahat ng yun. Like, yung sunglasses ko, my wallet, then my coin purse, and the notebook, and then another pouch. Nagkasya siya lahat sa green Bayong bag ko. So, this pouch, may zipper siya dito. And then, like, ganyan lang. Like, okay din yung quality ng zipper. Alam ko yung hindi siya, like, mumurahin na zipper. Then, eto yung parang lalagyan ko ng mga something-something ko. So, I have here my ball pen. My ball pen, this is very important. Then I have here alcohol. I have here my scrunchie and face mask. Ito, matchy-matchy silang dalawa. Ito, mabibili ninyo sa the Look M&L. I will be putting in the description box below yung link also ng kanilang IG. Yeah, IG account and Shopee account. Then next, I have here tissue. Okay, I have tissue. Then, for makeup guys, actually, for makeup, dalawa lang talaga yung dala-dala ko everyday. Pag lumalabas ako, kasi before ako lumabas, nakaayos na ako. So, pang-retouch na lang talaga yung dala ko. So, I have here Maybelline powder. And then, my Maybelline na Super Stay Matte Ink also in Seeker na shade. Pang-retouch lang talaga yung dala ko kasi ayoko rin magdala ng sobrang daming pang makeup. So, yun yung laman lahat ng aking pink pouch. Imagine, like, for this pink pouch, nagkasya yung scrunchie, my face mask, my powder, my lipstick, my alcohol, my tissue, and my ball pen. So, those are the things inside my bag. Lahat yon nagkasya sa green bayong bag ko. And, kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung episode 1 ko ng #SupportLocal series, that's my way of giving back to the community na nag-feature ako ng local brands to help them promote their products or services and also to help you decide where to get your needed items. So, if you're looking for bags na maganda yung quality, locally made, please check out Bayong Manila. I'll be putting the link of their Facebook account, Facebook page, and their Instagram shop sa description box below. Sana i-check na niyo yung account nila kasi like sobrang daming options, sobrang dami pang designs na available sa shop nila. And another point that I love about this Bayong bag is that super easy nilang i-disinfect, i-sanitize. Like, paglabas mo, pag-uwi mo, spray lang, ganon. Like, super dali niya lang talaga i-disinfect, which I really love the most. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like it. And I hope you continue to support local, shop local, love local. And please, please, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and of course, subscribe to my channel. See you in my next one.
Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the bright is.